Okay, I want to do a challenge, or rather, I'm challenging myself to create a website in 30 minutes. It's gonna be maybe a one page or two page, even four page if I manage to do it in 30 minutes. But we're using Elementor and Envato Elements. And the assumption that we have is you already have your hosting, you already bought your domain, and you already installed WordPress onto your site. So now we'll start in from the dashboard and kick it off from there. Let's go into my laptop. And we're off. All right. So when you log into your WordPress, the first thing that you see on your dashboard is this. It's going to be saying welcome to WordPress, and on your left panel you're going to see different links to different things. Posts, if you want to create posts, there's post here. You just hover and you see if you want to add a post, you add a post. Media, if you want to add media, pages, appearance, plugins, users. So the things that are going to be using mainly plugins and appearance. Why appearance? Appearance takes us to themes. We're going to be needing a theme for this particular site. And the theme which usually works with Elementor and Envato Elements is Hello theme. Fortunately, it's already installed, but maybe I can show you how to do that. So let's go under themes. So under themes, I'm going to pretend like this wasn't there. So I'm going to delete it. This Hello theme. So I have deleted it. So let's say you just start off after installing your site. You just start off like this. You want to add a new theme. You simply come and click add new theme on the plus sign there. Fortunately, the hello theme comes second or third usually, I don't know. So here it is. So just a matter of clicking install and activate. And activate. So the website they're all making is for a gym called XYZ gym. Don't ask me why a gym. I don't know. I've been trying to convince myself to go to the gym. So yeah, I think this is part of the motivation. So now we've activated our Hello theme. So now we're going to plugins right now. There are several plugins that we want. So I'm gonna go to install plugins. Some plugins are already there, but I do not want them to be there. I want to show you how to install them. So let me just remove them. Okay, we have Elementor Envato Elements. Under construction is never usually there. The hosting that I use is Hostinger, so it comes with this Hostinger plugin. And why Hostinger? I haven't had problems with Hostinger. There's barely downtime for both emails and your site, and also it comes with on the email side they come with an app which you can simply install on your iOS or on your Android, and you don't need to worry too much about configuration. So Hostinger is the go-to hosting for me. I'll leave a link in the description. So now here, let me delete these so that I show you how to install them from scratch. Okay, deleting. Hey, I like it. It's super fast. Okay, so when you want to add a new plugin, just come here, add new, and then after add new, we want a builder called Elementor. That's what we're gonna be using for this website. So Elementor. Okay, wrong spelling there. Remove the M. Elementor. Okay. Okay, so install now. I want to install the plugin. This is Elementor. Is it purple or maroonish feel to it? But this is Elementor 5 billion installments. Anyway, activate. Activated. I don't want all this drama, so I'm just gonna cancel this. Basically, we're going to make it costless to create this website. So I'm not using any paid version of the plugins or for the themes or for what. So that's why I just got the Elementor. I'm not getting the Elementor Pro. And the difference between Elementor and Elementor Elementor Pro comes in with some aspect. As I was saying, the difference between Elementor and Elementor Pro. Elementor Pro enables you to edit things like the header into whatever you want, the footer, and it also has some extra elements that make it convenient for you in your design process. So yeah, let's go back to the plugins. We have put our Elementor, but we still need Envato Elements. So I'm going to hover on plugins here and add new. And I'm going to type in here Envato Elements. Envato Elements. And Envato Elements, there's a leaf thing here. I don't know if, yeah, if I think it's a leaf thing, but anyway, it is over 1 million installments. So I'm just gonna click install. Installing, activate. Okay, activated. So we have the two things that we need. When you're working on your site, at times you want people to see what's going on, like when they click the link. So either you enable maintenance mode in your hosting, or you just install something called under construction. So for the sake of just this video, let's just use under construction, since I'm already at the back end of the website. So add new. So it's called under construction. So basically, wrong spelling. Okay, I normally use this one, but feel free to try others. But fine, I just started using this one and I just stuck to it. But yeah, installing, activate, and enable under construction. So you hover here and then just click on. So when someone goes to the site, they can see the progress, except for the person who's working on the site, or except for the administrator of the site. So yeah, dismiss. We have what we want. We have installed. Okay. This is usually already installed if you're using Hostinger. Okay, now it's done. I want to allow. I want to go to Elementor settings so that we disable its default colors and default fonts, so that when you import a new theme, it's just going when importing a template, it's just going to take the colors and fonts for that template. It's not going to stick to its default templates. So that's why I've come here under settings, general, then disable fonts, disable colors, save. And then now I want to look for which theme to go for. So I'll hover on elements here. This is the icon for Elementor, and I want to go for free kits. We said we wanted this to be free as possible. With Envato Elements, it's a you do subscriptions every month. Should be roughly over, if not under $30. And then with those subscriptions, you have access to paid templates. So now I've gone for the free ones because we want this to be as free as possible. So yeah, we're saying wanted a gym site, is it? Let me look. It can be a gym. Should it still do a gym? Okay, so let me not look for a gym. Let me use a random theme and customize it into a gym into a gym thing. I don't know if that makes sense, but I think let's work with that, because at the end of the day, you need to be able to customize to customize the templates into whatever you want. It could be an agricultural thing. So yeah, you're supposed to be able to take even a site on guitar lessons. But the reason why you would pick, okay, I just click preview. I want to see what it looks like. Why you would pick a particular template is because maybe it has a style that you like, or it has a feel that you like, but not to say that you can't change anything from it. You can change everything totally, from the fonts, from the colors, to this, to that. So yeah, I just saw this on cybersecurity. Okay, I think I'm going for this one. Why I'm so much interested in cybersecurity nowadays. So I will use this cybersecurity kit and turn it into a gym site. So yeah, I'm done installing it. So now I want to add the first page. When you want to add a page, you simply hover on pages and add new page. Yeah, or you simply hover on add new, then click page. So let's just go with the letter on the new page, and I'm gonna call this page home, and I'm gonna click edit with Elementor, and then it take me to the Elementor builder. Okay, I'm gonna cancel all that. I'm gonna start from scratch. Okay, there's a notification from under construction. Okay, so when you open it, already has home home written here. Why? Because that's the title of the page, but you want the title to show now on the thing. So I'm just gonna remove the title. I'll go on the settings and hide title hidden, and I'll hover on. I'll click on the Envato Elements thing here, the icon. Sorry, and this will show up. The install template it will show up. So I want to view the kits. I want to pick what I want to use as the home page, and then it's telling me that we need there's a plugin that we need to install. So let's see what that is. It's Elementor Pro. Unfortunately, we're not using Elementor Pro for this thing. Why? Elementor Pro is paid for, so one needs to be as free as possible. So I'm going to go ahead and install the home home templates, either this or this or this, but this one now is the one which requires Elementor Pro, so I'm not going to get this one. So yeah, many more. I'm going to go with the first one. Insert, importing. Let's go. Okay, there we go. This our site is looking like a whole lot of green, a whole lot of that. But me, I want it to be red, a whole lot of red, a whole lot of bold colors. Sorry, a whole lot of bold fonts. So maybe the first thing that I want to do is change the image behind here. I don't want it to show a laptop. So I'll click this middle icon with 6 dots, and then I'll go under style on the left here, and then here's the image. So I'll change this image. I can click choose. If I already have an image saved, like if you don't have an image, you can go to Pixels and search for what you want, or let's say you have your own images. You simply come upload files, then select, go to where your images are saved, and then you put them there. So me, I've just gone to Pixels. I gotten this from Pixels, so this is the image that I want to use as the image. So yeah, open, and then it's uploading. Okay, and we're done. So let's select our image is there, but still I'm not happy because it still has a green fill. I'm not going for green. I want red and black for this. So yeah, I'm going to change the background overlay. So when I look at my left here, after this is where I put the image, so I'm gonna go under background overlay, and then I can see there's already a color here. There's a color which was picked here, so I don't want this color. I want my color to be black and bold. And there's another color picked here. I also want it to be black and bold, but then the opacity, I don't want it to be too much. I want it to be maybe slight, so maybe something like this, so that we still see what's happening. A whole lot of muscles there. Anyway, so I want to change the title now. I want it to be bolder. I want to remove some things. This barcode is not necessary for what I'm doing here, so I'm going to delete this. Not necessary. Delete the buttons. The button is a lock icon for security, so I don't want that. Maybe I just wanted to say join the gym, about us, then join the gym, and I need to change the color. So I'll click on the pencil icon. Anything you want to edit, you click on the pencil icon, and then I'll come under style here to change the color. I want this to be red, right? So I'll scroll this down to red. Wait, is it the red, the one that I want? Okay, can I work with this? Mini. Okay, let's just. So you pick the color code. If you already have a color code, the better. You simply come and paste it in the space here. Yeah, I'm highlighting. But here I'm just going with the flow. So yeah, so let's do this. And I do not want I want the writing to be of a particular color, maybe white. I think white to go with okay, this text color, this is where I change it. White to go with red. So instead of that blue, let's make everything white. Voila. I don't want that look icon, so I'm gonna go to content to disable the icon spacing icon. So this the look. If an icon in the look is one which was there, but I want an icon, so I'm gonna cancel no icon. Bruh, is it no icon? Is it this thing? Anyway, let's try this again. Okay, this is the size of the button. I think I'm okay with the size. Icon spacing. Okay, the icon is already removed, but somehow it's still going to also be removed from visually. But for me, it's already removed because I selected none. So I guess that's okay. So now let's move on to the next button. There's a green outlay or green border. I don't want that. I want it to be red. So I click on the pencil icon, and again I go to style, and here's the green that I want to get rid of. So I'm gonna click the green and pick the red. Yeah, let's keep it. No, not purple, bruh. Okay, let's keep it real. That's what I'm talking about. So yeah, in that look icon eventually came out. So yeah, that's it. Maybe I want to say welcome to XYZ Gym. Welcome to, okay fine, you know what, I want this to say welcome to. Okay, so this is how you play around with elements to create whatever you want. So I want to duplicate this. I want a smaller text saying welcome to just on top. So I'm gonna write here on the left, well, in caps, welcome to, and then I want this to read XYZ Gym, XYZ Gym, and then this, I want this to be the tagline. It can be anything you want really. You can use AI to give you some suggestions like ChatGPT. So I'm gonna go with fitness for days. Yes, it sounds lazy, but yet here we are. Fitness for days. Not once. Exclamation marks. Fitness for days. If I wanted to change the size of, okay, I said I wanted bold fonts. So for the XYZ Gym, I want something bold, something that screams, "We got this." You know, this is a place for muscles. I don't know, blah 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 blah. So I just clicked on the style again. After clicking the pencil, I come to the style and I click on the typography, and then I want to change the family of the font. So I can come here. All right, and then I look for a font which I think is as bold as I want. Which bold fonts do I know? Metal Mania. Don't I love the sound of that? Metal Mania. Looks ugly. All right, let's look for something else. So it's up to you. You can do your research on fonts, what they communicate, and etc. Something like that. Even colors. So it's not just an issue of just saying I want this color. It's also about following the brand guidelines or the brand manual for whatever company. But if they have nothing and you just go with the flow, I guess then you just gotta go with the flow. But okay, my gosh, why is this so hideous? Okay, I remember something called Ido. Do we have it on Google? No, it's not here. Open Sans is also bold at times. Open. Ah, come on. I'm trying to change something here. Work with me. Open Sans. Okay, we're just gonna have to make do with bolding whatever font that we have. So you can increase the size with this. Make it big. Maybe I want to make it bolder. Change the weight to extra bold. That's a little too extra. Maybe bold is okay. Yeah, bold. Fitness for days, about us, what. So let's say I had created an about us page. I still come to this pencil for about us, and under content there's a link here. Then I'll paste the link for the about us page. Let's say I had created the join the gym Oh, I forgot to change this text. Okay, so I click on the pencil. We said this one. We wanted this to go to join us, or maybe someone to subscribe or something. Join us. I don't know why they keep bringing that log, but anyway, to go away. And then I put the link to maybe the contact form which someone has to fill in order to submit and join. And yeah, basically that's it. So now as we move, maybe I now want to put text. So you do not always have to create text from scratch. You can have AI help you with this. So me, I don't. I'm trying to stay ahead of the curve. I'm trying to stay with the trend by utilizing ChatGPT in my content, in my creative content, and coming up with ideas. So what I done is I pasted this as a professional copywriter. Right, for me, a website content for a gym called XYZ based in Cape Town. Please write in English language. Then I pasted that and enter and click enter, and this is the content that it gave me. So you don't have to take it as it is. You can change it up a bit to make it more attuned to who you are, the food that you're going for, and etc. etc. But for the sake of this of this video, bruh, you're just getting it copied. Anyway, so I don't like this side by side thing that they have going on here. So I'm gonna delete what I don't want. Okay, these are containers. So there's a big container and a smaller one. What is this called? Wait, I forgot. It's called a what? Intersection. A smaller intersection with two containers. I think this is unnecessary drama for what I'm going for. So I'm gonna delete what I don't need. And do I really need them to be in a separate container? So I'm gonna remove that and remove the what is it called again? Inner section. Yeah, I remove the inner section, and then I want the text to be coming under here. All right, and then this is going to be the title and the text. So I already copied the text from there. So let me come on. Okay, let's take that I want, but then I want the header to fall under headers there. So yeah, the header is gonna be under here. Remove our goals, blah blah blah, and change the color. So again, I click the pencil under the title. I'm highlighting what I don't want. This is what I don't want, which was there. Okay. Why am I playing a delayed image here? Okay. Right. Welcome to what gym, and etc. and etc. and etc. So here the space in between is not too big. So maybe I need to go to this pencil item again and see if I left any space there. I don't think so. Okay, let's keep it moving. Maybe it's still loading. Why is it delaying? Is it anything? I'm opening too many things, am I? Alright. So I want to put a video here, maybe of the head trainer telling people about joining the gym and what are the advantages and etc. etc. So I can click plus so that this comes out. So since I want a video, I'll look for the video widget here. Video. If I want a button, I'll put a button. If I want a space, I'll put space. So there's a whole lot of things that you want. If I wanted a title, let's say there was no text, let's say there was this, you just play around with them and have fun. I think okay, so I want the video item, and I've taken it and I've placed it there. But now when it comes with a dummy link. So I want to use a link from maybe my YouTube. Because what you need to do is you take a recording of a video and then you upload it on YouTube, and then you copy the link from there and you come and you paste it here on the left where I'm highlighting here. I want to move this. So now let me just go to my YouTube. I'll pick any video for the sake of this. So 4-step growth process. All right, let's go the copy link address, and I'm gonna go back to our page and again click the video widget, the pencil icon for editing, and then I'll remove this link here. Then I paste the new link. So when I paste the new link, voila, there's a trainer telling you about lifting weights or why you should join the gym. This color is still green. It's not supposed to be green. Or I click the pencil again, style, change the color, I'm going for red. I'm going hard on red. Yep. Okay, it's good. It's good, 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 good. But then it's not that bold. I like it bold. So again, typography here. I'm not worried about size. I'm worried about the boldness. Here it's semi-bold. So let me change to 700 bold. Yeah, I think it's cool. I think it's cool. So let's say we also wanted to put a button. Do we need to? We already have two buttons there, so maybe not. So the next section, maybe we are introducing the trainers and want to put maybe images of the trainers. So that means all this is irrelevant to me now. Basically what I'll do is I need to delete the containers. So there are two containers here already. Wait, is this two? It's one. What is happening? Okay, let me first of all delete the background of this whole section. So I'll click these 6 dots and now come to style. Let's tidy it up. Oh, it's a video actually, so yeah, I don't want the video, so I'm gonna click here to delete that link, and I'm going to click the classic because I want an image there. I don't want all that drama, so choose image. My image, I think I already have a gym image, unless if you want something else, you can simply upload it. So for the sake of this video and the time that I want to finish it, I'm just gonna assume that I'd already uploaded the videos. So yep, there's our image. It's still coming up. Okay, it's still coming up. What is going on here? Let me just check. I need to get rid of something. Let me try and see what do I need to get rid of. Positioning, YX positioning. What is this? Oh, it's the positioning of the video. Oh, okay. Of the image, background image. So I want it centered. So now it's centered, isn't it? So now we can see that lady, the gym lady. Background overlay, we want it to be black. Don't want that green, we want black, and we want the opacity reduced. We want it to be too dark that you can see the image. So yeah, that's that. Inner section gone by bra. This is the container gone by bra, and then we're left with this. So now maybe we're introducing another container which is necessary with this icon. Right. I don't need to. Okay, maybe this button can lead to our team, because we can maybe put 3 of the trainers, and then there's a view more, or maybe view the whole team button, which will take them to a page showing them the whole team. So maybe let's go with that. So I've clicked the pencil icon again, and I want to change that to view our team. And again, the color, I go under style, I want it red. Okay, yes, we said we're going for red, and then the text color we're going for white, and it's now white. So here you can say meet the trainers, and then if we need this, you can write something, I don't know, whatever you want. Click the pencil, write what you want. So I'm assuming we've already done that. But now we want images, so images are going to be inside here, but you can't put okay, we can put a gallery here maybe, which will show us with the trainers are. So I'll click this here, and I'll see in the search for gallery, and then okay, what's important? Fine, I'm just going to drag and drop after the narration, so our gallery is going to be there. What's important also is the sizes of the images that you're going to use. You want images which are the same size, for the life to be easy. Unless you're using Elementor Pro, you can simply make them align themselves. So yeah, here we have one image. Don't I have any other images? I'm going for other images. Oh, I'd made the logo already in Canva, so I just looked for an element. Fine, let me just go to my elements. So I use this element, and I just typed in XYZ, and this is now our logo. XYZ, famous for days. but there's some images here that I got, so I'm going to pretend like these are pictures of our trainers. So let's download anytime now. Okay, cool. Faster than I thought. Then they should be that one, isn't it? Download. The reason why I'm taking them out on I want the software to unzip and then coming to upload again. So I just want them as close to the browser as possible. So yeah, and then I'll just come here and drag and drop my images that I want for the one, second one, two. Wait, is that two? What did I miss? Okay. I think I got the wrong one. I wanted the second image. Download. Alright, now let's put the second image. So if you already have your images, this process may not be necessary for you unless you want to resize the images in Canva. I don't want the logo there, I just want the images. So yeah, and create new gallery. We have the gallery, set gallery, and just need to change the sizes so that it's more realistic than it's looking right now. So yeah, that can be okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This image, because we didn't size this one, that's why it's looking like this. So maybe let me just go with 2. So you have to resize all of them to one size. But this ones I made them 500 by 500. And so I'm going to make this a 2-column gallery. So let's say it has 2 trainers. So voila, trainer 1, or maybe just our facilities, not trainers, right? Our facilities. Facility. Okay. Okay. So it can be gallery. People who are seeing the pictures of the gym and etc. And after that, depending on what you want, everything is dependent on what you want. You pick what you want, you remove what you don't want. I think this is unnecessary drama. What we protect. Okay, this could be the pricing plans. You create a pricing plans section where we then put say maybe you can separate the packages to from premium, bronze, basic. I don't know, something like that. So I'm just we start with the basic, isn't it? Or let's call it bronze, right? Bronze package. Anybody want that? Second one, let's call it silver. And third one, let's call it gold. So the reason why it's wise to package your product in 3 like this is you push people to go for silver. You cash cow will be silver. Why? Psychologically, nobody wants to be bronze. You want something which is not that good, yet also you also want something which is not too expensive. So you want the majority of people to get silver, and yes, you get those ones who want the golden package. You'll be like, no, me, I want the very best. So yeah, this is how you do it. So yeah, you can maybe put the prices here. So you can say bronze, or maybe you list what bronze does. It's gonna come with this and that and this and that, blah 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 and blah blah blah. And then maybe you can also put a price. Maybe there's a number here, there's a number somewhere. You can say this is how much. It's gonna be $20. Oh, so that's an end. $20, $20, 200 kwacha, 200 rands, whatever you want to do. This is basic Cape Town, so it can be 200 rands. And then again here, this one maybe double it to make it $39.99. There's psychology to pricing again. If you put $40, it sounds expensive, but the more you say $39.99, Someone will be like, yeah, I think it's high. And then this one will be like, no, this one you're going hard or you're going home. $100 or maybe 99, 99 again. So yeah, the 20 will make it 19, 19, 19, 99. Yeah. So the more button can take them to a contact form where they fill in the information, or they make the payment. If you want to make it an e-commerce site, or if you want people to, if you want to be able to access payments online, whether if you have a PayPal merchant or your bank allows you to receive payments from your website. So yeah, I'm just selecting the message drama there, and then again I want my theme colors to be maintained. Pricing what? This is called price. Wait. Pricing. Our packages. Our packages. And then okay, here we can change this up to say maybe experience the very best, or I don't know, whatever, but you do not need to have it if you don't need it. So I don't feel I need it. I'm gonna delete it. I feel like this also, it was supposed to be an icon, but I'm deleting it. I want my image centered. I want it to be on the left here. These are centered, so I want it to also be centered. So I'll come to the left here, center it. I feel like there's too much space here. Why? So I have to see to click this icon, the six dot icon thing, and go under advanced, and I'll see there's a padding on the left. Here's the padding. It's a little too much. It's a lot of drama, so I'm gonna put a 4 to make the match. So it's now 4. It's now centered. It's looking centered, right? Agreed. Okay. So now let's change that image at the background. Where's the image? Okay, that's heading. Whoa, what did I do? Okay, so when you make a mistake like this, you simply go to either Command Z, Control Z, or okay, that didn't work. Oh, it worked. Command Z, or you simply come to this icon here at the bottom and click. It allows you to choose to go back in time to before you made the change. So you can say no, before I want to reverse things to when I removed an image, something like that. But anyway, since it's already sorted, I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to try and edit this. Okay. When this says submit, is this submit or buy? Subscribe now. Let's say subscribe now. So all of them are going to say subscribe now. All of them are going to turn them to red, maybe red and black. And we'll put the link to the form here. So first of all, let's change the color. I want it to be red. And then the next one has to be blue. No, not blue, sorry, black. Instead of colors are blue and black. It's actually black. And then of course it's going to say subscribe now. What did I do? What did you do? Okay. Change the color to white. No, I not want white. I want black. Okay, click away. Right. And then I go under this. Instead of more, I'm putting subscribe now. Subscribe now. So let's go to the last one. Go red again. Go red. Go home. Subscribe now. Right. And again, under style, I'll change the color from that green to this one has to be red, isn't it? Red. I said red. Okay. Red. Okay. Okay. Where's this image? Okay, I tried to click here. It's only the subheading, so I can't find where this image is. So I'm assuming it's behind in the container. So I'm going to click the container icon and go to here. I can't see any image, and hopefully I can't see any image. Am I missing something? This is the title, right? And I don't see any image here, so let me see if I can. Okay, that's heading. Okay, still the also the borders for the for this area, they have to be changed. There's a green border, so I'm going to go again, and here border is green. I want it to be red. Is that red enough for me, or this kind of red? And then this one black again. Container, come to style, under border, and we want to put red and the color here. Maybe I should have made that black since the button is red, but anyway, let's keep it moving. I'll put the black here. So let's do black. Okay, I think it's looking good. My only answer is these images. I have to figure out how to remove this. Where is it hiding? Why is it hiding? Why are you hiding? Advanced to have a background here. Found it. Okay, so I clicked heading and I went to content and I couldn't find the image and style, so I had to go to advanced, and there's a background here. In the background there's this cheap thing going on, so I want to choose something different or even remove it totally. But anyway, maybe let's go with this image that we've been using for a long time. There we go. We do the same here. Wait, I think we have weights, isn't it? So let me put weights. Background, choose weight and select, and here let me put maybe the gym itself. Background, wizard gym, choose. There we go. Select, and it's now changed. Now these titles are still green. We don't want them green. We want red and black. Red and black. So yeah, there is our red. We do the same. Oops, another mistake again. Command Z or Control Z, and go back to normal. This image style, I want you to be black. Okay, this text style, I want you to be red, and go to red. So yeah, basically that's it. This text again, we need it to be red and border, isn't it? So again, same process, and we need it to be border, or maybe change the font. So I think it's good to have a font set out before you even start customizing. So if you're the one who has done the brand manual for the company, then that makes it easy now, because you know the fonts which the company uses. You know everything you need. So yeah, basically this is our first. I don't think we need this. What do we need? Maybe we need a contact form here, not this. So I'm going to remove the text, and I'm going to remove that. And I can say get in touch today. So just get in touch. Get in touch. Alright. And then I want to add a form, so I'll come on the corner here, this 9 dot, I don't know, 9 square thing going on. So yeah, type in form. I want the form. And then okay, the form they come with Elementor Pro, the forms. Okay, so unfortunately maybe we may not be able to do that unless we install a plugin like WP forms or what's the name of the plugin? Okay, there are different form plugins that you can use out there. So anyway, as of now, let's remove this. So this is our site. Let's see how it looks. Publish. After publishing, you want to view your site. The hamburger menu here, view page. Okay, so our logo is not there, and okay, but basically this is it. It's a one-page site. It's looking like that. The same process that we did for this page is what you also do for other pages. So as of now, I want to tackle how we deal with the logo and the menu, and also the homepage settings. So we have to go to customize. Okay, so for the logo, we go to site identity, and there's this logo space here. You can select logo. Our logo, okay, I'd already put it in our gallery, so in our media library. But if it wasn't, you simply upload files, then then upload the logo. So yeah, it's going to ask me to crop it. Of course, I want to crop it a bit around that whole white space. So yes, this is our logo and crop image. There we go. And so that's not enough. I also want a menu. I want to create a menu. So create new menu. I'm gonna call it my menu, or rather gym menu. Alright, and that menu is going to be appearing on the header. So I'll click header here, then next, and then I want to add items to this menu. So let's say I'd finished creating my pages. I'll see them all here. So the only page that I've created right now with Elementor is this one page. So I'll click add, and then it's there, then add items, then publish. So you do the same for the other pages that you create, and I can now to see how the site is looking. So that's it. Okay, that's the lazy version of it. One page site. If you want to make it 4 pages, same process. You just play around with the elements to make it do what you want. So now the more pages you have, after creating more pages, let's say you've created an about us page, you need to remember to come back to edit the home page and put the link for about us here. After creating the contact us page, you need to copy the link again and come and paste it on the buttons here, so that there are no links going, not going anywhere. All the links are going somewhere, something like that. And then our team, you also need to come and put here. So yeah, basically that's it. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. I hope it's been 30 minutes. I haven't been checking, but I hope this was a success. I'll check. Cheers.